Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your iPhone shows iCloud backup failed, last backup couldn't be completed, or backups keep stopping, don't worry. This is a common and fixable issue. In iPhone settings 2026, backup failures usually happen because of storage limits, network issues, power conditions, or accounts problems. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix iCloud backup failed on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. Why iCloud backup fails? So quick causes, like most failures are caused by not enough iCloud storage, unstable Wi-Fi, low battery or not charging, iCloud sync errors, corrupted previous backup, or iOS bugs or outdated versions. Okay, so check iCloud storage space. So this is the most important. So go to settings, tap your name, go to iCloud. So check iCloud storage. If storage is full, delete all backup. Okay, all backups. Remove unused data or upgrade iCloud storage. So backups fail immediately if storage is insufficient. Okay, then make sure you are on strong Wi-Fi. So iCloud backup requires stable Wi-Fi. Avoid mobile data. Avoid public Wi-Fi. Restart your router and switch Wi-Fi networks if possible. Then retry backups. Okay. You can also plug iPhone into power. So automatic backups require iPhone charging, battery preferably above 50% above, screen locked. Okay, plug into a charger and try again. Okay, so turn iCloud backup off to on. Okay, so go to settings, your name, and iCloud backup. Turn iCloud backup off, wait 30 seconds and turn iCloud backup on again. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.